when I ordered this book, I knew that I'm gonna open it with the proper kind of video and make a big deal out of it. But I never knew that it's gonna take me like a year to just open this one book. और एक साल बाद की बुक ओपन करते हुए the one thing I have learned is we better should do our work on time, because I remember I was so excited about this book and I was like, I will make a proper video, and then it took me like a year. After a year, I'm sitting here on like a very last day of the year, try to open the book and do the unboxing thing. But the thing is, now I realize that there is a lot of stuff which maybe it's just like my habit that I just leave the stuff that I will do it and then it never happen, and I'm doing it after a year, which is really not a win-win. So actually, I received the book very late, and everyone who follows Hima Ahmed knew that we all get the book very late, and it was like a very limited slot who have ordered the first edition with the sign and thing, and we all got it very late. So it's not my fault that I got it late. I got it when I wasn't in Pakistan. So I got it, I came back, and I have that book, and I got to know the ending, and I never opened it. Maybe I was very, very, very emotionally invested in the book, so it was just something I thought that if I open it, it will just go away. And I don't know, maybe people who really follows the novel thing and very very like emotionally invested readers, they can understand the when we know the ending is not that good, we just avoid to read that. It was maybe something like that with me, so it took me a year to just be relaxed. And so जैसे कि I have learned कि we should like do our stuff on time. There is a lot of thing actually I have learned this year, to just fight back for yourself, to speak up for yourself, to be more confident in your own skin. And there is a lot to be happy. Actually, the one thing which I really appreciate now when I look back, that's the thing, that you should be happy at the place you are. Sometimes, we really think that मुझे ये मिल जाएगा तो I will be happy. Maybe if I had the company of this and that person, maybe if I was here with my family, I will be more happy with them. And you feel that ये हो जाता तो I will be more happy, ये हो जाता तो it makes me more happy. जबकि the biggest lesson you can learn as a woman especially, आप जहाँ पर हैं वही आपकी अचीवमेंट है. और द थिंग आई हैव लर्न इज जस्ट बी वेयर यू आर. समटाइम आप वहाँ होते हो जिसके जिसके लिए आपने बहुत दुआएं की होती हैं, और जब आपको वो मिल जाता है तो आप सोच रहे होते हो कि ओ ये इस तरह से हो जाता तो मैं ज़्यादा खुश होती, या उस तरह हो जाता तो मैं ज़्यादा खुश होती. सो अगर आप ये लर्न कर लेते हो कि जो चीज़ आपको जैसे मिल रही है वो आपको वैसे ही मिलना लिखी है, ये आपकी बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. और मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरी बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, जस्ट इस चीज़ को रियलाइज़ कर लेना. एंड येस दैट्स इट, एंड आई विश एवरीवन अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.